EDM. It's all of the dance and grooving music combined. EDM, or electronic dance music, is a catch-all term for all the electronically produced danceable tunes that we listen to. It's not so much a genre in itself, but is more accurately a description of music production methods. One of the clearer unifying elements in EDM is the extensive use of non-acoustic instruments and electronically assisted composition via the use of synths, sequencers, modules, computers, and the like. That's not to say that EDM exclusively uses just electronics, as vocals and real instruments are also used in EDM tracks as well. In EDM, there's also a focus on the role of the DJ as an artist. The DJ's role is expanded from playing records live on a dance hall to the creative force behind the track, producing music from composing to arranging and even mixing their own original tracks. Let's check out some of the more popular styles of dance music. Disco. Although dance and music have gone hand in hand through various cultures in history, disco is considered to be the first commercially successful form of dance music in the 70s. Disco is responsible for the rise of dance halls and clubs. Originally played live with a very funk and blues influence, the practice of playing disco music from records became a staple in clubs and dance halls, and is partly responsible for the emergence of disc jockeying or DJing, which is a major component of modern dance music. House. During the 1980s, DJs started incorporating new electronic production methods. They played and remixed the then disco sound and produced tracks with electronic drum beats and bass synthesizers. Most notable of the time were the Roland 303 for the bass sounds and the Roland 808 for the drums. House also features minimalistic vocals, a contrast to other types of genres where vocals are front and center. Drum and bass, a product of the 1990s rave culture. Drum and bass featured faster tempos and the characteristic sub-bass sound, a synthesized bass playing octaves below standard frequencies. This resulted into a thumping bass sound that can literally be felt. Drum and bass also featured breakbeats throughout. Dubstep. Formed in the late 1990s, dubstep is a mid-tempo type of music that features syncopated beats and breakbeats and a characteristic wobble bass, a bass that is passed through a high-frequency filter back and forth. As the technology and music progress, today's EDM have branched to more subgenres and fusion genres, some even making its influence felt in today's modern pop music.